Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone photos gray line problem. If you're using any iPhone and you are having this type gray line problem in your iPhone photos, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So there is two causes. So if you are having this type problem after a software update, so it might be there will be any problem in your software, so you must have to make a force restart your phone or wait for the next software update. So you just have to open up your settings and here and go for general, then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that your system is up to date or there is no any software update pending, or if you have any software update here, so you must have to download and install the software update, or you have to try to force restart your phone. So now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone screen goes fully black. So let's try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. On black screen, you must have to wait for Apple logo here. It might take a while, so you must have to wait, and once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it power off, power on, and once your phone has been powered on, your all problem will be fixed. But if you're still having the same issue, so it might be that there will be an issue of your hardware problem. If you are seeing this problem before your software updates, so it might be there will be any hardware problem. So you must have to check your hardware. So you can see that there is no any gray line is now. So in this way you can easily fix if you are having any gray line issue in your iPhone photos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.